Happy Friday.
Happy Friday,
Good
y'all.
Friday.
Yeah,
Easter weekend.
It was windy
It's
last
been so
night.
windy, yeah.
What is it going to stay that way?
Yeah, well, that's because we have a high pressure in the Gulf, a low pressure in the plain, so the atmosphere is trying to reset itself. So it's just been really gusty and breezy. And I'm also tracking a few rounds of showers and storms here in central Texas. Now, it's not going to be widespread and a washout, so I'm going to walk you through the exact timing here so you can work around your outdoor weekend plans. All right, big picture is today we do have a dry line that will move eventually toward the hill country that could kick up a shower or severe storm overnight tonight. I do anticipate the daytime hours to be mostly dry here in our area. Now tomorrow, toward the evening hours, Saturday into your Sunday morning, that's when our cold front will arrive, and the cold front is a little bit more widespread with rain coverage. And then by Sunday, the front moves through. Still some morning showers and storms are certainly possible. So here's the clouds in radar. Here's a high resolution model. Hour by hour, we have a mix of clouds and sunshine today. Here's 12:30. Winds are still out of the south. Notice a lot of sunshine. Increasing clouds, though, toward this evening. And then overnight tonight, that's when the dry line begins to move in toward Mason, San Saba, Llano, and Lampasas. This is 2 a.m. Very early tomorrow morning. Could see some severe storms in the hill country. Watch how quickly this scatters and dissipates by around 6 a.m. Notice we see some clearing skies yet again. Obviously, a leftover shower or brief thunderstorm is still possible during the daytime hours on Saturday, but our rain chances are lowered through the majority of the first half of the day. 3:30, clouds increase yet again. A few scattered pockets of drizzle and showers, and even perhaps a thunderstorm is certainly possible. Then we'll see the clouds build back in yet again overnight, Sunday, Easter, 5 a.m. Here's the cold front. Around 5, 6 a.m., moving through the hill country, that's San Saba, Llano, and Mason County. By around 8, 9 o'clock, this should be somewhere near the Austin and I-35 corridor. But by 12 o'clock, this pretty much fizzles out and dissipates. And then we could see some sunshine returning toward the late morning, early afternoon hours for your Easter Sunday, especially out toward the hill country west of I-35 by around 4 o'clock. Could we see a leftover shower for Milam, Lee, and Fayette County? Absolutely. But the severe weather is going to be more Saturday night into your very early morning hours on Sunday. Level 2 out of 5 for portions of western Travis, Williamson, Blanco, Burnett, Lampasas, and then farther out west towards St. Angelo. And again, this is going to be where most of the action is, west of Austin. This is not going to be a complete widespread big severe weather event. Looking at the specific elements here, rather low for tornado, unlikely there. Hail, quarter-sized, wind, and flooding are also in those lower categories. So just watch the radar, download the KXAN First Warning Weather app to stay weather aware, especially if you're going to have any sort of outdoor plans. But today we should be dry with partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies with those temperatures widespread in the 80s and 90s across the board. Here's your KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. 91 today, 86 tomorrow, 60% rain chance overnight Saturday into your Sunday. Easter Sunday, morning showers and storms, hopefully some clearing by the afternoon. We dry out on Monday, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, scattered thunderstorms are back in the forecast. Erica?